do I get cured from this? The answer is no, you won't as long as you're training. Unless the only solution I can think of right now, but that's what makes jujitsu super exciting. And that's why a lot of people get hooked. If you're a beginner and you've been doing this for a few months, that's also one of the reasons because it's a puzzle that you still, for some reason, can't solve. Don't worry. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Valor Training Center YouTube channel. I am Mark Entrata, 47 years old, first degree black belt under the legend himself, Cobrina Charles, and I am the head of Alliance Jiu-Jitsu Manila in Pasig. And I've been doing Jiu-Jitsu for around 24 years, of course, on and off in my younger days. But anyway, so I've been here 24 years, and the purpose, the main goal of this channel is for beginners, especially beginners, hobbyists, and older people to help you navigate your feelings, your experiences. Is this normal? And that's one of the things that you will experience, especially if you're new to jujitsu. You're like, oh man, yeah, this is this. You will experience what I like to call as jujitsu. I can't even say it. Jujitsomnia. There you go. Jujitsomnia. Yes, for sure. Especially if you train. Well, actually, if you train mostly at night, you will have jujitsomnia. Now, that makes it. But I feel, you guys are smart enough to kind of figure out where I'm going with this. You want to know why I know you guys are smart? Because you're watching this video. Very smart. And you're smarter if you subscribe to this channel. By the way, thank you so much, man. 260 plus subscribers. I know. For me, it's a big deal because at least, man, that's still 260 people who I can try and help with any which way I can. And, those 260 plus people, you 260 plus people can also help me become better and reach my goals also. So anyway, going back to jujitsomnia, what is it? Yes, you are correct. It's when you can't sleep at night because you keep thinking of jujitsu. This is mostly prevalent for those who train a bit later in the evening, around some 7:30 to 9, or some even extend their training until 10 p.m. And God, I think like some even do it until 11 p.m. The chance of you getting to sleep after an hour, or going to sleep after an hour of training, is very unlikely. So you're probably going to be up for another 2-3 hours after you get home. And this is actually normal. So why does this happen? Because first, number one, obviously adrenaline, your adrenaline is still high. It doesn't go down just like that. That's why also when you're injured, you kind of feel like you're okay during the training. You're like, no, I'm fine, man. No, my fingers are fine. No worries. But then it's usually middle of the night, around 3 a.m. You wake up, you're like, everything's, because the adrenaline is not there. It's the same. When you train, when you have fun, your adrenaline is still kind of high. So it's very hard to sleep. Second, it's because you keep imagining, you keep replaying either the techniques or what happened or what strategy you could have done, things you could have done better, things that worked for you. Because it's exciting stuff, man. That's what makes jiu-jitsu super exciting. And that's why a lot of people get hooked. If you're a beginner and you've been doing this for a few months, that's also one of the reasons, because it's a puzzle that you still, for some reason, can't solve. Don't worry. Been doing this for over 20 years. A lot of puzzles I still can't solve. But that's what makes it exciting. And that's also the reason why we're up on, because our brains, even though we're super, because there's this misconception that they're like, no, man, just train hard, just train hard. Your body's going to be so tired, you'll fall. Yes, does that happen? Yes, it does. But sometimes things happen. You get stimulated mentally, logically. I got to figure this out. Next thing you know, man, it's like 3 a.m. You're still imagining things. Just like when we were in high school, yeah? When there's this hot girl that you want to talk to, but you're like, oh my god. Then you just keep imagining scenarios over and over, and then later on, you finally have the courage to ask her out, and she flat out says no. Then that's gonna be a few more weeks of you not being able to sleep, but this time to nurse your ego. But anyway, sorry, I digress. So that is normal. Plus, another factor that adds to your jujitsomnia is this, and I am guilty of this one. A lot of us use coffee as pre-workout. For me, I teach two classes usually, Monday and Wednesday. My first class is 5:30 to 7. Sorry, 5:30 p.m. Just so we're clear, 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. And then my second class is 7:30 to 9 p.m. But of course, sometimes we extend until 9:30, etc. So what I do is drink coffee before the first class. And sometimes really depends what type of coffee I drink or I drank that day. Some are stronger than the others. So this kind of adds up to my jujitsomnia. But the question is this, especially if you're newer to this. If you're older, you've been doing jujitsu for years and you're just super cool. That's why you're still watching my videos. You watch my videos. If you've been doing jujitsu for years, you know the answer to this. But the question is this. Does jujitsomnia ever go away? Do I get cured from this? The answer is no, you won't as long as you're training. Unless the only solution I can think of right now, but if you guys have other solutions, remember, I'm talking about people who train at night, train late afternoon and at night. Okay? Because the solution is if you can just do a morning class, just do a morning class. And then after you get jujitsu out of your mind. So at least when it's time to sleep, you sleep. You think of other problems. At least jujitsu has nothing to do with it. So that's really the solution. So yes, as long as you keep training jujitsu, you will. So you just learn to live with jujitsomnia. Just like I don't know, like having diabetes, I guess, or HIV. I mean, look at Magic Johnson. See, he learned how to live with HIV, and see, he lived long enough to witness his son transition into a woman. So who knows? Maybe part of Magic's like, I'm just kidding. Relax. I'm just kidding. Oh my God, he's a transphobe. He's horrible, man. Whatever. I'm just here to have fun and help you guys along the way. So that's my point. You just get to live with jujitsomnia. The only suggestion I can do is if you can do a morning class, just do morning class. And if you can skip it with a coffee, just skip it with a coffee. But the second suggestion, yes, I am guilty. Sometimes I'm one of those people who give suggestions, but they don't even do it themselves. But at least, it's not as bad as those really like out of shape gym instructors. Oh, do this, bro, so you'll be in shape. Like, brother, how can I even trust you? But anyway, that's a different story altogether. But with that, my friends, again, I just want to thank everyone. Man, people, the last video, the one when it comes to how to improve your jiu-jitsu even though you train once or twice, man, got like, as of now, more than 500 views. Wow, thank you so much. But my friends, I gotta be real with you. I was actually quite disappointed with that one because no one made a comment. Especially, it's fine if you don't want to comment. But I remember asking people, if you're a Pantera fan, you're watching this, make a comment. Favorite Pantera song. Guys, no Pantera fans here? Come on. I'm sure. And that's why I wore this, Dream Theater. Any Dream Theater fans here? Because we're talking about Jujitsomnia. And their latest album is, I think, called Parasomnia. It has something to do with sleep. So any Dream Theater fans? Come on, I can't be the only one. I can't be the only one. Shut down, man. Comment. All right, with that, thank you so much, my friends. If you haven't yet, of course, I would truly appreciate it. If you haven't and you want to subscribe. Let's have fun. Let's learn from one another. Remember, this is my one of the main goals here is to help guide the beginners what to experience, or if what they're experiencing or what you're experiencing is normal or not. Or see, so jujitsomnia, it's pretty normal, so it's cool. Learn to live with it. With that, my friends, thank you so much, and I will see you on. Oh, before that, reminders. What do we do? Remember, my friends, stay safe. Let's have fun, but stay safe first, then have fun. So we can train until we are 99. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Os.